Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a review of Muscle Dominator Essential Whey Protein. I've been trying this out for a few weeks now, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. So, let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about the taste. I tried the chocolate flavor, and I have to say, it's pretty delicious. It mixes well with water or milk, and it doesn't have that artificial aftertaste that some protein powders tend to have. Overall, a big thumbs up in the taste department. Speaking of mixing, I found that Muscle Dominator Essential Whey Protein mixes really easily. Just a few shakes in a shaker bottle, and you're good to go. No clumps, no fuss, which is always a plus, especially when you're on the go. Now, let's take a look at the nutritional breakdown. Each serving packs a solid amount of protein, which is great for muscle recovery and growth. Plus, it's low in carbs and fats, making it a good option for those watching their macros. In terms of performance, I definitely noticed an improvement in my recovery time after workouts. I felt less soreness the next day, which allowed me to hit the gym harder and more frequently. Plus, I noticed some gains in strength and muscle definition, which is always a win in my book. Finally, let's talk about value for money. Muscle Dominator Essential Whey Protein is priced competitively compared to other brands on the market. And considering the quality of the product and the results I've seen, I'd say it's definitely worth the investment. So, to wrap things up, I've been really impressed with Muscle Dominator Essential Whey Protein. From the taste and mixability to its performance and value for money, it ticks all the boxes for me. If you're in the market for a high-quality protein powder, I highly recommend giving this one a try. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.